This is the GAN 330 Rubik's Cube. While a normal Rubik's Cube measures around 56mm, the GAN 330 comes in at only 30mm, which is a lot smaller than a regular sized Rubik's Cube. As such, it is extremely difficult to turn. For reference, I averaged about 9 seconds on a normal sized Rubik's Cube, but on the GAN 330 I averaged about 18 seconds. So my goal for this video is to get a sub 15 average of 5 and to get a sub 10 single, and let's get into it. I started off with a 19, then a 17, then a 16, then a 22, and then another 19, so I was averaging quite a bit above the 15 seconds threshold. I continued that way for about 8 or so solves, but at the 11th solve, I tried turning a bit lighter. Usually, on a regular size Rubik's Cube, I would turn a lot rougher, but I realized on the GAN 330, it's actually much better to have a smoother turning style. And then just like that, I got a 13-second solve on solve 11, which was an amazing time for me. Alright, 13, that's my first sub 15 and it's also sub 14, so what I figured out is I just need to turn a bit lighter, like I don't use too much force, and that should allow me to have better times. Also, efficiency is key because you don't want to use too many moves, since each move really takes a lot of time on the GAN 330. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm actually having quite a bit of fun on this cube right now. And that's not just it, just one solve after that, I got an 11.29, which actually remained my best solve for a very long time. With a 13-second and an 11-second solve, all I needed was a few sub 15s and I would immediately get the sub 15 average after just 10 solves. But unfortunately, I messed up the next few solves and I couldn't quite get the sub 15 average. But then, I got a low 14, a high 11, let's go! I just got another 11. And then this happened. Oh, okay, I got the average, but I have to do a plus 2, so control 2 after the plus 2. Okay, even after the plus 2, that's still a 14.74 average. So that's the first goal completed. But the next goal, the sub 10 single, that actually took way longer. So it took me about 18 solves to get a sub 15 average. But you wanna know how many solves it took me to get a sub 10 single? Well, I mean, you're gonna have to watch to the end, but let's just say it's more than 69. So after getting the sub 15 average so quickly, I was really motivated to get a sub 10 single, and I was averaging around the 15-second mark. However, my mom wanted me to go for swimming, so I had to put a stop to this for now. I'm coming, Mom.
1 hour later.
When I came back after my swim, my fingers were actually really cold because the pool at my house is actually freezing. So for the next couple of solves, I actually averaged pretty badly, like my solves were like a few seconds above what I was used to, which was a bit discouraging, but I kept on going. Nothing really huge happened for the next couple of solves. But then out of nowhere, I got a 12-second, 13-second, 12-second, 13-second, and then 14-second solve, which resulted in a 13.19 PB average, which lasted for a very long time. I mean, I averaged 9 seconds, so to get a 13-second average on this super tiny Rubik's Cube is actually very impressive for me. Oh yeah, and a couple of solves later, this happened. Oh, come on, you have got to be... Oops. Okay, come on. Oh, damn it. No, I'm actually sorry right now. That's such a lucky scramble. I think I got like... I got an X cross, or last skip, J palm. Oh, that should have been it. Oh, come on. Damn it. So 8.8 was insanely lucky. Like, that was an amazing scramble and that was super impressive. Like 8 seconds on this mini Rubik's Cube. I mean, I don't even get 8s on all the time on my normal size Rubik's Cube. So I was super bummed that I got a plus 2, but oh well. Also, as most of you guys know, I recently lost more than 4,000 subscribers. So if you guys are enjoying this video, please do consider subscribing. It would really help me out. Got another sub 10 solved,
but plus 2'd it.
And then for the next 20 or so solves, nothing really huge happened. Like, I mean, I was just solving at this point and my fingers were starting to cramp and my arm was getting quite a bit tired. And before I knew it, we had already done 100 solves. Alright, I just got a PLL skip on my 100 solve and... oh well, 100 solves, let's see how many solves it takes to get a sub 10. So that was a pretty good 100 solve. An 11-second solve was pretty lucky for me and it kept me motivated to complete the challenge of a sub 10 single. So about 8 solves later, I wasn't feeling particularly motivated or anything, but then I got a pretty lucky scramble where I could insert my first pair, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch this footage. Let's go! Oh my... Oh my goodness, finally, I am so tired. I mean, my hands are aching so bad right now, but 923, finally, I am so happy with that. So, I had done it, a 9.23 single with this mini GAN 330 Rubik's Cube. I'm sure some other faster cubers than me have done this before and it's nothing too special, but for me personally, I was really proud of this achievement and I hope you guys found it impressive too. Wait, let me show you guys something. This is a normal size Rubik's Cube. This is a GAN 330. As you can see, it's a lot smaller. But wait a minute. This is the CubeLab 1cm 3x3. This cube is 1/3 the size of the GAN 330, the cube I've been using for this whole video. And if you guys want to see me torture myself by trying to solve this super tiny Rubik's Cube, make sure to leave a like on this video. After 1 week, I'm going to see how many likes this video has, and I will do that many solves on the 1cm Rubik's Cube. So if it gets 30 likes, I'll do 30 solves, and if it gets 100 likes, I will do 100 solves on the world's smallest Rubik's Cube. So yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed because you definitely don't want to miss that. So the GAN 330, the 1cm cube, and a ton of other puzzles at reasonable prices are available at speedcubeshop.com, and you can use discount code MCuberzz at checkout to not only get 5% off, but also support my channel at the same time. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.